Happy Halloween, teachers! It's James. It's October 19th, 2020. I'm going to recommend some easy to understand Halloween books that you can read to your Japanese students.
Geez, it's been a while since I did a face-to-face video. Anyway, these are my favorite Halloween books that I like to read to my Japanese students. The first book is called What is Halloween? And this is by Harriet Seifert, Claire Schumacher, maybe. Anyway, it's a very easy to understand type of book. It's a lift the flap book. It's about a little mouse that asks, what is Halloween? I'll just show you one page. So you can get each of your little students to open one of these pages. Okay, it's really easy to understand. Another book is called The Great Halloween Treat, and it's by Susie Jane Tanner. Again, it's a lift the flap book. It's really easy. It's about a group of animal friends who dress up and go trick-or-treating, but they don't get any candy. Oops, I spoiled it for you. Here is one page. Now, I don't read everything in this little box. That's too complicated for my Japanese students. I just change up the words, so it's up to you. Okay, this is a good book to read. Another good book is called Where is Baby's Pumpkin? Another lift the flap book. And this is good for little kids, like 3 years old or even younger. Okay, I'll show you one page. I don't read all this, I just change up the word. I just say, today is Halloween. Okay, 今日は Halloween no hi desu. Where is baby's pumpkin? Baby no pumpkin wa doko desu ka? Where is baby's pumpkin? Is it under the leaves? Leaves. Leaves. Happa no shita ni imasu ka? No. Okay, you can play with it. That's a good book. Another one is Go Away, Big Green Monster, and it's by Ed Emberley. This is pretty good. So to say go away in Japanese is achi ni ite or hoitoite in Kansai. I'll show you one page. So this is an easy to understand book because it talks about the parts of the body, eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, etc. And it uses adjectives like the color of the hair or the color of the teeth or eyes. It's a pretty good book. Check it out. Okay. And another book is called Halloween Countdown. So this reinforces counting for little kids. It's about a boy who encounters ghosts in different rooms. So it starts from 10 all the way down to 1. And there's a surprise at the end. I'll show you just one page. Again, you can change up the words. Now, this is one of my favorite books. It's called In a Dark, Dark Wood. Now, this version is great. I mean, there are different versions, different variations. This one is by David A. Carter. I recommend it. Get a hardcover like this. Let me demonstrate how I would read this book. I'm sorry I can't show you all the pages because it's copyrighted. Let me demonstrate how I would read this. Everyone look at James, look at James. I am going to read you a Halloween storybook. In a dark, dark wood. What's dark? Someone might say daku, which is dark. It's also in katakana English. Others will not know what this word means. It means kurai. So kurai means dark in Japanese. What's wood? Some smart kid might say, ki, okay, that's tree. Kimoku, okay, that is wood. Kimoku means wood. I think this is hayashi, which is woods, or forest. Morty, it's up to you. In a dark, dark wood, kurai, kurai, hayashi de. And it's a good idea to let them know that you're going to change your voice. I am going to change my voice, okay, everyone? Everyone listen. In a dark, dark wood. Kurai, kurai, hayashi de. There was a dark, dark house. Kurai, kurai, house ga arimashita. Okay. Sorry, I can't show you all the pictures. And in that dark, dark house, その暗い暗い house の中で there was a dark, dark room. What's room? Good, heya. It's also in katakana English. Room. Okay, just forget about that. Good. Kurai, kurai, heya ga arimashita. And in that dark, dark room, there was a dark, dark cupboard. その暗い暗い部屋で暗い暗い食器棚がありました。Cupboard is shokitana in Japanese. All right? And in that dark, dark cupboard, there was a dark, dark shelf. Kurai, kurai, tana ga arimashita. Shelf in Japanese is tana. And on that dark, dark shelf, その暗い暗い棚の上には there was a dark, dark box. 暗い暗い box がありました。And in that dark, dark box, その暗い暗い box の中で there was, this I can show you, a ghost! And that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Happy Halloween, everyone!